In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a formula in Excel that will show you the number of payments and years you have to pay off on a loan. So this is kind of just a basic rundown into doing any sort of math inside of Excel. So with formulas, right? So what we've got here is our monthly payment and our total cost. Let's say this is a car. So it's a $10,000 car. You're paying $300 a month, right? So over here we want to find the number of payments. So what we're going to do is we're going to say equals, right? And then we're just going to click on this cell right here, right? Divided by this cell, right? And then we're just going to hit enter. So we have 33 payments, 33.333 payments on there, right? And we'd even format that so that it says, so it doesn't have this bajillion decimals, right? So now it just says normal system, right? Then what we can do is we can figure out how many years it's going to take to pay that off. So that's 33 months, right? So we're going to say equals this cell, right? This number right here divided by 12, right? So that's 2.78 years. It's almost 3 years, right? Easy. So that's how you figure out that situation, and that's how you do those basic formulas right there. And as like I show you this, if I drag this down, right? If I had different numbers here, check this out. So if this is a $400 monthly payment, $500 monthly payment, a $600 monthly payment, right? All I'm doing is grabbing the corner here and sliding this down, right? Actually, I'm going to remove this stuff right here. So check this out. So if you were to pay $400 a month, you have 25 payments, and you'd be done in 2 years. And if you paid $500 a month, you have 20 payments, and you'd be done in 1.67 years, etc. So this is kind of a cool thing that might be able to help you in a sheet that you're trying to figure out some way to express the numbers and build formulas right here. So I hope this helps you, and thank you for watching.